Gilbert Town Council meeting happened last night. It was a long meeting, 3.5 hours, and it was very different from the last Town Council meeting. There was no more disrespect between council members. There was humility from our Town Council members. It was 3.5 hours because Gilbert has a lot of issues that it's dealing with. There's a lot of development going on. There is a potential water crisis in the future that they're trying to get in front of. There is a lot going on with the town of Gilbert. An update from the Teen Violence Subcommittee was substantive, which was great. Scott Anderson said that he went to at least a half a dozen schools, met with them, talked to the SROs. He got information. He also mentioned, or someone mentioned, that the recent local bond that didn't pass would have increased 12% budget for security for schools. So the fact that that didn't pass, is an issue. Now, we're going to be able to make a better plan moving forward on what is needed to invest in the health of our community. They had originally proposed doing a survey. They're no longer going to do that because the survey already exists. Makes a lot of sense. They're going to do what they can to get the charter schools involved in that survey measuring teen violence. Jim Torgerson was humble. He talked about how he met with and listened to parents who had had teens die. And I think that that's what it took for the council to stop treating each other so badly and understand how important their work is. I don't want to bash on Mayor Peterson because she's not running again, and I think the fact that she's not running again is probably one of the reasons why the political vitriol has died down. But she again said, I didn't know. I'm not going to these events because I don't know about these events. No one's inviting me to these events. Our elected officials must know how to navigate the world of social media. Like, if you don't know about these events, it's because you're not paying attention, and that is a theme. So I think it's incredibly important that our elected officials either know how to navigate the world online of social media, or you have your assistants doing so, because I've been out of the loop, I didn't know is a recurrent theme, and I believe you. I believe you didn't know, but that's a problem. I feel like they're learning. I do. Kathy Tilkey talked about how she wanted to partner with the media, how they know they need to do better communication. I'm going to do a separate video about the Office of Digital Government. They also did an official vote that the town council supports the brass knuckles prohibition. Yes, it was ceremonial, but it was really nice to see Connor Jarnigan speak to the council. And any opportunity that the victims have to speak and get a voice should be amplified.